whether it's China or anywhere else. Why not? Why isn't that a priority for us? So I understand their concern. When I was in China about 2 months ago at the World Robot Conference, what I saw on their trade show floor, at least 50 companies showing humanoids, many of them looking fairly advanced, but who knows? But these weren't videos. These were doing things in front of people. And I saw the excitement of the children, because they opened this up to the whole of China. This is not a show to do business to customers so much as it is to showcase. And the enthusiasm of the children and all of the different regions of China that are investing heavily in this. This doesn't happen here in the US to this scale. I would be very concerned about that if you want to be, as I said, best in class.
And Eric, are there categories of robots that perhaps the US or the West is better at, whether it's horse and power limited robots or mobile robots, or are there things where specific form factors might have an edge?
I'm not so sure it's form factors as performance. For better or for worse, robots since Unimate in 1960, for many, many years it was dominated by automotive applications, and it was dominated by a handful of companies that were competing with each other on specs. Oh, my robot's 0.1 millimeters repeatability. Oh, mine's 0.03. Oh boy, very exciting. And that was the focus for many, many years. Collaborative robots opened that a little bit, so that's maybe a bit of a form factor. China has opened that a lot. Making lots of different types, throwing at the wall, seeing what sticks, making a $5,000 robot and seeing if there's a market for that. Even though it has flaws and drawbacks, it might be good enough for some applications. The dishwashing robot I mentioned, their business model only works with a $5,000 robot.